my name's Ardil and welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today's video, we're showing you a solution of integrating Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto into the factory Range Rover screen. I hope you enjoy.
This is the Range Rover L405 model. What we're going to be doing is stripping the car down, removing all of the parts so we can gain access to key areas that we need to install the integration module. This involves removing factory screen as well as the whole center console down the middle, and also all the parts in the radio and behind the glove box. This allows us to install the integration module behind the scenes. Once the integration module is installed, the factory screen then goes back in place. This allows full control via the factory system. When you press home, you've retained all of the factory system from Land Rover. As soon as you press nav, that automatically brings up Android Auto, or if you're using an iPhone, Apple CarPlay. Android Auto is being displayed at the moment, and this gives functionality like Waze, Google Maps, as well as some really cool functionality like DAB radio stations like BBC Sound. And if you're using Apple CarPlay, you've also got other options available here. You've also got the access to Apple Maps, Tidal, Spotify, you name it, it's all on the screen live here. So you've added loads of functionality into the factory screen, but also still retaining all of that factory control when you go back and press that home button. Also, the new hands-free system is all linked up to your phone, so you've got all your contacts live from your phone, all on the new screen.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you've enjoyed today's solution on this Range Rover. If you own one of these cars and looking to get booked in with ourselves here in Cambridge, here is exactly what you need to do. Send over some pictures of the interior of the vehicle. I need to see the picture of the screen turned on, as well as any factory USB or aux position, which should be in your armrest, just like in today's video. But I need to know if you've got dual view, so quite a lot of info. If you'd like the list, that'll be in the description below of what pictures we need to see to be able to provide you with an accurate quote. Or the best thing to do, come by, see us, we can go through everything with you in detail and in person. But thank you so much for watching today's video. All of our contact details are below. Get those pictures over to us, come over, see us, and we'll get this solution added in for you and your vehicle, so you can have all that functionality packed live into the Range Rover system and really modernize that interior. My name's Ardil, you're watching CBS. Thank you so much, and we'll see you on the next one.